Hey, here, Raghu.
Yeah, hi Shikhar.
Mission is okay. You can see my screen, right?
Not yet.
Hello.
Not yet.
Hello. Not yet.
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So, like we have talked about the enable now we will continue this. So we
Shikhar,
have like yeah,
hello. Shikhar, let me reconnect. I
yeah. Tell
mean,
me.
your voice is breaking. I'm reconnecting.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Raghu. It's okay now.
Yeah, it's okay now. We can start.
Okay. Mission is fine. Okay. You can see, right?
It's loading. Yeah, I can see now.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So you have any question from our previous session?
Not really, Shikhar. I mean, as we know, will be those were just the enablements. So we'll be starting now. So yeah. Hello.
Okay. So
Yeah.
today we are going to continue with the
Mm-hmm.
uh, other things like okay, we have renamed record and transaction. So whenever you'll be getting a record like NetSuite account, okay, so sometimes like based on the client's requirement, you also need to change the name of the record. For example, based on the industry, okay. So as we know, client, customer, consumer, right? All these three are the same. Is it
Client,
similar?
customer, and consumer, right?
Customer, consumer,
Yeah.
client,
Right, right,
okay, are the same.
right.
But based on the industry, the name gets changed,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Similarly, if you talk about vendor, supplier,
Yeah.
okay, both are the same,
Right.
right? So, so sometimes what happen as per the requirement, we need to change the name of the record,
Okay.
and this is the place where you can come and you can change the name of those things. For example, here you can see the customer, right? Now, if you type here consumer, so consumer will be there everywhere in your system.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say we have three segment department, location, classes. Now classes, customer is asked like they name it with something different. Okay. Or let's say business line they are calling it, right? So we can put that name over here. Similarly, so this is the entities you can say and masters, but here if you see at the bottom, so the same option we have for the transaction record as well.
Okay.
For example, let's say a vendor and the supplier.
Yeah.
Similarly, estimate and quotation, both are the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, so if we want, we standard name is estimate in the NetSuite, but we can make it quotation as well.
Okay.
Fine. Here it's okay. We have already set up this one. Now, if I save it, so what will happen? Everywhere, the name will start coming as quotation instead of estimate.
Okay.
Transaction, sales. Here we have prepare quotation. Previously, this was showing as an estimate. Now it's coming as a quotation.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want to change the name, you have to go there.
Okay. And what is the difference between records and transactions?
Actually, there's two kinds of things. One is where we maintain a masters
Your voice is
or setup
breaking,
part.
Shekhar.
I am saying there is two things. Okay, one is like where we maintain masters. Okay, such as we have a customer record, partner record, vendor record, item record, right? These are the record. Why these are the record? Because there we are maintaining the masters.
Shekhar, I think we are not recording it.
It's being recorded.
Uh,
Raghav, it is recording only.
okay, okay, okay.
I
Yeah.
already started.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. So Raghav, the thing is like we have two things, right? So the masters where you'll be controlling, for example, customers, vendor, partner, item. Okay. So those are the records. The transaction is the place where financial impact is gonna have, right? On transaction record, you'll be calling customer, you'll be calling item, that will be sales order. Okay, what is happening? There will be a accounting impact or something that we are selling, purchasing, something we are doing in terms of financial,
Okay.
right? But record is the place where you are just maintaining your setup part.
Okay.
So that is the difference. And you can also will be able to change the name of the account type. For example, whenever you are going and creating a chart of account, okay, So account type could be a different, like we can have like we have AR, AP, bank, right? So those kind of things. Okay. So AR, AP is one thing. Okay, that is account name. So account type basically, whether like expense, bank, right? So those kind of things, what we can do, we can change from here. Okay, here you can see account payable. We have other assets, bank, expense, equity, etc. Okay, so if you want to change the name of those, you can come here and change it. So we can change the name for the account types. We can change name for the transactions, and we can change name for the other master records. Okay,
Okay.
and this is one time setup. This is not something every time for a specific customer we are coming here and changing. No, it's a one time setup. Whenever we do the account setup for like implementation for that client, we'll be coming here and we're setting up. Yeah. Then we have rename record and transaction. What is this? Oh, sorry, auto generated number. What is this auto generated number? Auto generated number is like whenever we create any document
Yeah.
or let's say any transaction is happening. So on those transaction or the document, there will be one document number, and that again will be different for different companies. Maybe some want some different prefix, okay. Maybe other company want him some different ways. So the formats will be able to define your own. Okay. So for that purpose, we have auto-generated number.
Shekhar, can you repeat?
Yeah. Auto-generated number is a number which comes on any of the record automatically once that is being created, any record or transaction.
Okay, okay. Is it like
Okay.
a sequence? I mean,
For
sequence
example,
number.
yeah, it's a sequence number, but we call it at like transaction number, right? Because what happens whenever you get any bill or anything, okay, there will be some specific number given on that one, right?
Uh-huh.
So how that number is being generated?
Okay.
Because if NetSuite is being used by the numbers of the clients, numbers of these customers, how they are going to set up their account so that based on their business scenario, they will be getting the auto-generated number. For example, my requirement is I have a two location, two subsidiaries. Now I want my whatever the invoice or the sales order is getting printed on those here should also be there. Then it should show the subsidiary, it should show the location as well, and then the number will come like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that.
Okay, okay.
How those kind of things could be done? Okay, so those kind of things will be controlling from here. So
Okay.
this is the here you can see the entities, document number, transaction number, CRM, and schedules.
Okay.
So all are like similar. Just I'll just show you. So
Yeah.
in entities, so these are the records which like belong, like for example, customer, sub-customer, project, employee, partner, sub-partner, supplier. Now I want number should be generated as I have enabled this one.
Yeah.
I'll say CLT client. Okay, and year is 2020. I'll say year 20. Okay, something like that, or let's say 2020. It will be taking. Then minimum digit is, let's say it will take a 10 digit number. Okay, it will start from 10 digit number. Initial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it will start from here.
Okay.
So current number which is going on is this one. If I click on override, allow override, system will allow me to change the document number over there. If I say update, system will update the existing one as well. I don't want to be like this should get updated and all. So it's okay for me. I'll just save it.
It's showing current number 10103.
Which is going on as of now. Now if I try to create a customer, new customer. Okay. Now name is, let's say,
Hello. 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 Is it stuck? Hello. Sajana, are you there?
Yeah, Raghav, I'm there.
Uh,
I think, yeah, Shekhar will be rejoining. I don't know what he
okay,
left.
okay. I think some problem at his end with the internet speed
Okay.
because his voice was also breaking.
Okay. Just give 2 minutes. He's going to rejoin.
hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. So now if you go and create a customer, okay. So let's say we have made all the changes.
Not able to see your screen.
You have seen, right? Okay. Still, I have already shared. Let me.
Not yet.
Close history.
It's loading.
Saying something. Just let me get. Okay now.
No, Shaker, not. It's not visible yet.
Okay, but I'm getting.
Saujanya, can you see the screen?
No.
Let me join back. Okay. Let me join back.
Okay.
So then, like, I'm not able to share. Just a minute. Let me share. Recording has started. This being recorded by.
Sir, beside you're getting like audio beside share
Uh,
content.
yeah. Share content. I can see it says like desktop and window. I clicked on OK. Now let me know if you can see this. I'm on NetSuite screen now. It's loading.
Yeah, it is loading.
Okay. You can see no. Oh no.
No.
Oh god.
I mean, it looks like you are sharing something, but the screen is black.
Yeah, I'm sharing. No, actually, like on NetSuite page.
Okay.
Previously, I used to get the options like I can select multiple. Now this time only one screen is coming. So it says there desktop window. I clicked on OK. Oh god. Is it something from mind? Wasn't it?
Yeah, because what I when I start click on share, I'm getting multiple screens.
Yeah, but I'm
So
getting
let
only one screen.
let me share mine to see if the
Okay, let
problem
me
is
join back.
okay. Saujanya, can you see my screen?
Yeah, Raghav, I can see you.
Okay.
I'm just taking the note. Did I send the note to you? No.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Still, I'm getting that option only. Yeah, got it now. Now it's coming. You can see my NetSuite screen, right?
Not yet. It is loading.
Seems yours like
Okay.
native.
I yes. Sorry, Shaker.
Okay,
Shaker
fine.
now.
Okay. So now, like as we have set up over there, right? So what will happen if you come to this page, okay? If you try to create a customer record and once you save it, okay? So once you save it, you will be getting the numbers which got already generated. I'll just show you. So this is the form. I'll just enter the name here of the customer. Let's say paste customer.
Again, I think it is stuck.
Hello.
Yeah, Shaker. I was not able to hear you.
Because I can hear. Okay. So once we have all these things, right? If we can save this one, and if you save it, and if any custom field over.
Um, your voice is breaking. I think check some problem at your end, the connectivity. I'm not able to hear. Hello? Hello? Saujanya, can you hear?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear Shekhar?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Shekhar.
Sojan, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Shekhar. You're audible.
Yes, you are now audible. Not able to hear you before.
Yeah. Don't like.
I think some connectivity issues at your end.
Yeah, yeah. I restarted my router as well. Okay. Yeah, here you can see, right? So I don't like my net was like here. I was able to save the record, but not sure. Okay. So here you can see, right? The way we have set up the customer, right? Over there, the number will be get generated automatically, and we got the number over here,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
the same way we can do for the transaction record. Let's say, for example, if you have a transaction record such as a journal entry, okay. So if you
So,
want to go to
Shekhar, I mean, these are customer IDs just to differentiate the customers, right? It's just a unique key.
right, correct.
Uh,
So basically, okay, let's say for example, where so let's say if any invoice, for example, right, or whenever you are
mhm,
in like
mhm.
going to open any account in your bank, right? So what happen? You get a specific
Yeah,
number, right?
yeah.
So there is a format in that number,
Right, right, right.
right? So
Okay.
that is being defined. So every company have their own way, own like a system or the
Okay.
policy. Based on that, they generate it.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is the first for the simple and like for the customer master, okay, master record such as item, customer, vendor, etc. You don't have the choice whether you want this to be with respect to a subsidiary or the location. But transaction you can restrict.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, if
Okay.
you come to set up company and if you come to this one, auto generate number, and let's say if you go to the document number, here we have a numbers of things. So let's say quotation if you talk about.
Okay.
Quotation is estimate. So that will be here somewhere.
Okay.
Control F, quotation, right? Now quotation you can have like okay quote or else the estimate for example.
Okay.
Okay. Then here you can see the prefix and suffix etc.
Okay.
Then you said I want this to be a 10-digit number. It's okay, fine. If you want to update the number, you can just put over here or mark this as false. Okay. If you want to continue from there only, then here we have two more choice, right? Whether we just let's say I don't set anything.
Not
Okay, leave
voice
this
is
as false.
breaking again.
Sorry.
Yeah, Shekhar, I missed you.
Hello.
Your voice is breaking.
Can you please speak louder?
Yeah,
Hello.
Shekhar, I can hear you now.
Okay, okay, okay. Please speak loudly as well. Okay, I'm not able to hear you. So actually, we have to. So this is similar
Yeah.
to that one. The only difference is
Mm-hmm.
for the transaction record or the you can say document number will be getting two options that is extra. That is, if we want to restrict the numbers with respect to the subsidiary, that is also possible.
Okay.
And if we want to restrict the number with respect to location, so that is also possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
For example, if I have not selected subsidiary or the location, either you can select subsidiary or the location or none of them. So let's say if I have not selected anything, then what will happen? The same number, the same sequence will be followed by all the other subsidiaries, okay, and all other locations.
Okay. Okay.
But
Mm-hmm.
if we enable that thing, okay, we'll see one example. Okay, if we enable with respect to the subsidiary, then we can see with respect to the subsidiary how the name is getting changed.
Okay.
So if I try to create a quotation now, customer is let's say this customer. Okay, so once we have this one, now if you scroll down, now on estimate we have to also select the items. Select one item and save it. Okay. So once we have this, all this information, just save it. No quotation number you can see, right? It's coming as EXT, the same. Okay. Even if you want to change, you can change it from here manually.
Okay.
Okay. But in a case for the same customer, we can check. Okay. So this is the customer for Reliance Fresh. Okay. So what we'll do now, I will create. I'll make the same thing for with respect to a subsidiary. Okay, and then we'll be coming here, we'll select the subsidiary and the name, the number will get automatically changed.
Okay.
So if you come here again, set up company and go to the this auto generated number,
Okay.
and let's say quotation is control quotation. Now if I enable this one, okay, this is for subsidiary. So once you enable subsidiary, you can see location is get out, right? If you select
Yeah.
location, subsidiary will be get out. Means both of them you cannot select. So if I select this one, that is quotation, and save it, then some extra setups need to be done on the subsidiary as well. So we have seen this customer belongs to this particular location Reliance Fresh. So if I come here and go to setup company subsidiaries, Control F, Reliance Fresh. Okay, this one. Edit this one, 105. Okay. Now, here you can see we have the document number and here's the prefix. So we can come here and set the prefix over here. Let's say company name is like subsidiary is Reliance Fish. I'll say Reliance Fish.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the new prefix we have. So if we scroll down and we have to go there and we have to select the quotation as well. And now here you can also define what number you want for this particular subsidiary to start for the quotation. So I'll leave it blank because I just want to continue with that, whatever we have over there, and I'll just save it.
Okay. Okay, that's the same thing which we were doing from that auto generated numbers page. We can do it from
So
here
that
as
is
well.
the general setting. From there, it will be applicable for all the subsidiaries in the same way, right? But once you enable the subsidiary, now the subsidiary setting will work only for those record where you have made the subsidiary setting. For the others, it will be remain the same. For example, if I come here and let's say if I click on new, customer is this customer. You can see the number will get changed automatically. Okay, just see this one. It has not been changed, but it will change automatically. Just see, because page is it's still refreshing. See, okay, got changed.
Estimate Reliance Fresh, yeah, right.
Right? But if I in
Okay, we
case
just
if I
selected the subsidiary, right?
no, I have selected the customer. Now if I select any customer for different subsidiary, for example, I'll say NetSuite customer. There will be customer with this name as well.
Okay. So previously we selected the customer which was for Reliance Fresh, so automatically it changed.
Right. Let's say if I'm selecting this customer and if it belongs to some different subsidiary, so this will again get changed to the general one, the one which we have defined as the setup and auto generated number. It's again the same name. You can just click here to get the list actually. we also have the search option, so you can click on the search. So all these belongs to this particular subsidiary. That is the issue. Okay. So let me check if
Okay,
I
all
can.
belongs to the Reliance Fresh. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, right.
So
So that's the
I
reason.
think we'll have to go to the customer level to change the subsidiary.
No, no, no. It's not like that. So basically, okay, now it's coming black, right? Nothing is there, no data. So if no data is there, we can see how this is coming up, right? Now, if I select any other subsidy data, like customer, for example, taste 1234 something, maybe this is for different subsidiary. This is the sales order. What happened to it? Okay. Now, if you select here, so by default, we are getting this one, right? Now, if I change this to any other subsidiary customer, for example, let's say 1234, something like this. I don't know for which customer like subsidiary this belongs to. Just selecting. Still, you can see this is for Reliance Fresh Mart. This is not for
Yeah,
Reliance
but
Mart.
the quotation number is blank.
No, no,
RFM.
quotation number is coming here, right? RFM. Because if you see this Reliance Fish Mart, so there may be we have set up this RFM. We'll see again, okay? And for
Okay, okay,
Reliance,
okay. Okay.
And the subsidiary is Reliance Fresh, right? So if we say test customer and the one which we have created, and test customer, this one, yeah, let's select this one. So just see this, it will get changed automatically.
Exactly.
Okay. And I'll tell you why was not getting changed, because there is some settings, either the script or the workflow, which is like disabling this field once we select it. That is the reason we are not able to select any other customer or different subsidiary. Okay, but we can see, okay, this name gets on like changed again to quotation. So how this is happening? Because if you come here and go to the setup company and the subsidiary, so on the subsidiary level, if you open both of them, right? If you open the Reliance Fresh and Reliance Smart, so on the both the places you will be getting the different prefix and suffix, etc. Reliance Fresh and this one is Reliance Fresh. See, here the number is RFM for the Reliance Mart, Fresh Mart, and for Reliance Fresh it's Reliance Fresh F, right? So based on this, is it's coming up. We have the third option
And
over
what
there.
did we? Can you click on the document numbers? We something we gave in document number as well, right?
No, 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 no. We just
Document
marked it.
number.
Yeah, we marked it that will be entering the initial number, but we didn't enter any number over there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So what you can do is, like there could be a scenario. For example, let's say we have a two, three different subsidiaries.
Yeah.
Okay. And maybe for quotation, in one subsidiary, I want to start the number for 5,000. In the other one, I want to start from the 10,000. Okay. So for that, actually, NetSuite has given a feature where we can make this checkbox as true, and will be able to update the number.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Similarly, we have the third option for the location. Location is also like similar to this one. So if you come to setup company and auto generated number, okay. So now if we come here and go to document number, I just forgot, like today there is a call for 11:30, just a minute. Quotation. tomorrow onwards, can you please
Okay,
make
okay.
it like from 10 o'clock, 10 to 11? Is it okay?
10 to 11.
Yeah.
Actually, I mean, 11 is the perfect time. Some problem at your end?
Most of the time, like today again, I had a call with 11 from 11:30, but I missed that one. So okay. So in this case, what happened? The same kind of things. Like if you come to the setup and location, okay, setup company and location bottom. So in the location, you will be able to define the prefix. And if you go to the record, right? Okay, any like customer record, if you create any record, then what will happen? Based on the location, it will show you the. I clicked on the setup company and come to location. Okay, we have location. Don't click on new because we have already reached to number of 100. So system will not allow. So just edit this one, any one of them. Okay. Now here we can go and we can define you can see the document number and prefix and suffix, etc. Right. So you can just update it over there, and then you can see if you want to the same kind of things. If you want to enable and enter the like the number from where it should start, you can do that. And then if you come to the quotation and enter the location here, okay. As now this time based on the
Okay.
subsidy number will not get changed, but once you change the location, number will get changed automatically.
Shekhar, I mean, do you want to take that call? We can start again. No problem.
Um, yeah, actually, I don't know. Okay, fine. So let me join that call. Okay. So we'll having a session
Yeah,
tomorrow
please.
then.
I'll be tomorrow.
Uh, or just give me like okay 12:30 fine. Okay.
12:30. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Okay, fine. I'll join back. I'll join back at 12:30.